Building a PC in 2026 is an absolute nightmare. The AI crisis doubled RAM and GPU prices overnight, but if you're smart, you don't have to pay those prices. Here is the survival guide for the 2026 market. First, the VRAM loophole. AI farms need 24GB cards. You don't. Target the 8 to 12GB range. Their prices aren't as inflated. Look seriously at the Intel Arc B580. It's the only sane option left for 1440p. Second, stop chasing native resolution. Raw power is too expensive. Buy a mid-tier card and turn on DLSS or FSR. Let software do the hard work so your wallet doesn't have to. Third, the RAM trap. DDR5 prices have quadrupled. Before you buy, calculate the cost of the motherboard plus the RAM. A high-end DDR4 setup is often way cheaper overall than forcing DDR5 right now. The 2026 market is brutal. Don't get scammed by retail prices. Save this reel for when you're ready to buy parts. Good luck.